This Sunday, no test, huh?
Okay, sir.
22nd, Sunday, no test. Chapter number 1. Exercise 1A. Question number 1 to 7. Tuesday 8 to 14. (15 to 21). Thursday 22 to 28. Here MCQ plus numerical, and I will check your books. Saturday exercise 1C. Only numericals. This is from Monday, that is 16th.
Done, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Huh?
And so,
I'm posting this on the group also, so that you should not forget.
Okay, sir.
Did you get on the group? Can you see?
yes, sir.
Sir, I have to check. Phone
No, no problem. No problem. No problem. No problem. Chalo. Because we are doing revision, so we will repeat also. Revision of first chapter. What is measurement? Can anybody say? What is measurement? Yes, anybody knows what is measurement? It
No,
is
sir.
process. It is process of comparison of physical quantity with a known standard quantity of same nature. What it is? It is the process of comparison. What is measurement? Process of comparison. If I want to compare length, I will compare with rupees.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It should be compared with length only. So
Yes.
it is process of comparison of the given physical quantity. It is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity. With whom?
The known quantity.
Suppose I want to compare your physics mark. Should I compare with English?
No, sir.
I have to compare with other students' physics mark only.
Yes.
That too from your school or other school?
Our school.
Same school, because then only everything will be same and we can compare. So it is process of comparison of the given physical quantity with known standard quantity. Known standard quantity of the same nature. Write down this in your book. 2 times you will write just now. It is process of comparison of given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of same nature. With the known standard quantity of same nature with known. Please write again 2 times. Tarun, I want full mark from you this time.
Yes, sir.
Because otherwise 2 times it got melted and I had to clean my refrigerator.
Okay, sir.
Third time I will ask money from you if you are not taking that. रीमा की बेटी कितनी बड़ी हुई है? रीमा की बेटी गुड़िया के
Done, sir.
Okay, chalo. Tell Tarun, tell me definition of measurement.
It is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with the known standard quantity of the same nature.
Beautiful. Sudhanshu, you say.
It is the process of comparison of the given physical quantity with known standard quantity of the same nature.
Same nature is important. Known standard quantity. But selection is important, na?
Yes.
Okay. To compare all this, we require something. What we require to compare? Some standard we require.
Yes, sir.
What is that standard? Unit. So standard used for measuring physical quantity is called as what? Unit.
Unit.
We have a textbook definition. Unit is the quantity of constant magnitude. Like when you say 1 meter, in India 1 meter, whatever it is, same it will be in Nepal, same it will be in Sri Lanka, same it will be in UK, or it will change that 1 meter.
It will be same.
So it would be
When I
same.
say, that means unit is quantity of constant magnitude. Constant magnitude, which is used to measure the magnitude of other quantities. So unit is quantity of constant magnitude, which is used to measure the magnitude of other quantities of same nature. Other quantities of same nature. Please copy this also and write again 2 times.
Done, sir.
Okay. One note write down.
Then, sir.
Okay. Any physical quantity, note, huh? Any physical quantity. It is measured in 2 things, na? One is numerical value and second is unit.
Yes.
Means suppose it is length, then 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter and so on. So can I say it is measured in number and in unit? So for a quantity, NU is changing or constant?
Constant.
Constant, because if you take a pen, it will remain of same length na, throughout, whether I say in centimeter or I say in meter.
Yes.
So can I say this number will become constant upon U?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever equal to constant, can I write proportional sign and 1 upon U?
Yes.
मतलब नंबर मोटा तो यूनिट छोटा ना. Number is
I do not
3.
understand.
हाँ, number is 3, meter is unit. Numbers 300, unit will become centimeter. So number mota, unit chota. Not followed.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sorry.
follow.
That means it is inverse, na?
Yes.
Okay, copy. And please stick to the planner. I will be very strict in that execution.
So we have to write this 2 times.
No, this do not 2 times. This is just once.
So done.
Yeah. Requirements of good quantities, good units. Are you remembering? Anybody is remembering what is requirement of good unit? It should be universally accepted, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means if I say my weight is 60, then American should not slap me. What is 60? They also know it is 60 kg. So universally accepted. It should change with time and place.
No.
So it should not change with time and place. Should it be available or not available?
Yes.
It should be easily available in the market. Four. It should be easily convertible from one system to another. Now write down. Easily, universally accepted, should not change with time and space. Easily available, should be easily convertible from one system to another.
Done, sir.
Not done.
Okay.
So you have to write this one time only.
No, one time only. One which is easy, one time only.
Okay, sir.
Return, Shanzu, return.
Yes, done.
Can you tell me what are physical quantities?
Sir, physical quantities are the quantities which can be measured.
How many types of physical quantities are there? Fundamental and derived. How many types?
2 types, fundamental and derived.
What are fundamental? They do not depend upon any other quantity. What are fundamental?
They do not
They
depend
do not
upon
depend upon any other
quantity.
quantity.
And what are derived?
They depend upon it.
Fundamental quantity.
Fundamental quantities. So units are also of how much? How many types? Units are also two types.
Fundamental units and derived units.
Correct. So types of units. There are how many types of unit?
2.
Two types. Which are they?
Fundamental units.
Fundamental and derived.
Don't write, huh? What are fundamental units?
Units which do not depend upon any other.
Correct. What are derived unit?
Units which depend upon
Fundamental units.
Correct. What are system of units? What are different system of units? Not remembering?
MKS system.
Correct.
CGS system.
MKS system, CGS system, FPS system. What is MKS system also called as? Metric system. What it is called?
Metric system.
metric system.
And CGS is called as French system. FPS is called as British system. चलो बोलो MKS कौन सा system?
Metric system.
And CGS?
French system.
French system.
FPS?
British system.
In MKS, mass is measured in?
Meter.
No, mass is measured in kilogram. एक मिनट. हेलो हाँ मैडम कर दिया अभी हाँ आ जाइए एक आप 1-2 दिन में आ जाइए कोई बात हाँ मैं आपको वो डिटेल्स दे देता हूँ अगर आपको कैश जमता है तो कैश दे दीजिए जीपे दे दी कर दीजिए या तो अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए जीपे भी यही नंबर है हाँ नहीं, आप जीपे मैडम, आप जीपे कर दो तो भी चलेगा। जीपे यही नंबर पे है, क्यों इतना टेंशन ले रहे हो? हाँ मैं भेज देता हूँ account number, भेज देता हूँ। बट हाँ मैडम बोलिए। हाँ 14/9 का है ना? नहीं मैंने मैडम वो कम करके ही बोला है, क्योंकि 2 चैप्टर टोटल फीस है उनका 22, मैंने आपको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उसमें कम करके बोल दिया ना। कोई बात नहीं, वो मैडम बोल रहे थे कल आएंगे, लेकिन मैं आपको डिटेल भी दे देता हूँ, जैसा आपको कंफर्टेबल है वैसा करिए। कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, नहीं कोई बात नहीं। नहीं मैडम, वो फीस में नहीं कम कर पाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैंने कम करके बोला है। ओके, ओके, ओके। Yes, an
Yes, sir.
MKS system mass is measured in
Kilogram.
kilogram, length in meter, time in second.
Seconds.
In French system or CGS system,
Gram.
राम राम नहीं ग्राम। क्या बोला आपने, राम बोला क्या ग्राम बोला?
Gram. Gram.
ग्राम ग्राम ग्राम, mass is in gram, and time, length in
Centimeters.
Centimeter.
and time in
Second.
second. In FPS, length in feet,
Feet.
and weight in pound, time in
Second.
सेकेंड। कितना खिचखिच है ना, एमकेएस करूं क्या सीजीएस करूं? तो सब साइंटिस्ट ने बोला एक काम करते हैं, नया सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं। व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड?
SI.
एसआई सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट। व्हाट इज एसआई सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट?
Standard unit used everywhere.
It is system of unit which is accepted universally or internationally, you can say. It is abbreviation of,
System है international D unit.
it is abbreviation of system internationally D unities। कौन सा कंट्री में ये डिसाइड हो गया? in Geneva. They speak in French language, so that's why they might have told system international D units. The short form is SI system of, this you write 2 times so that you don't forget what is SI system of unit abbreviation of.
Okay, sir.
Yes. When you all are going to get your physics mark of the school?
Most probably next week only.
Okay.
I don't know, sir.
Acha. And finals are starting from September 20, na?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So exactly 1 month, 5 days we have. On 5th September, what is there on 5th September?
Next.
5th September means what? Fifth September is Sunday,
Sunday.
and it is also Teachers' Day. Don't forget.
Okay, sir.
On that Sunday, you will have test on chapter number 1 and 2 and magnetism. That means 1, 2, light, which is chapter number 6. Light is 6th. No, light is 7th. 4, 5, 6 they have not kept na for you all. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
1, 2, then sound 7, 8, 9, 10. How many chapters?
6.
So it is full length test for you, 80 marks. On 5th September, 80 marks test on full chapter. That means 15 days before your exam, you should be prepared. Hello, completed?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know 6 fundamental quantities? Anybody knows list of 6 fundamental quantities? Yes, Sudhanshu?
It is
Forgot?
mass.
Length, mass, time, temperature. What are 6 fundamental quantities?
Length, mass, time,
Length,
temperature.
mass, time, temperature.
Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Follow? Which one? Length,
Length,
mass,
mass,
time,
time,
temperature.
temperature, electric current,
Very good, very good.
luminous,
Luminous.
Luminous intensity.
Luminous intensity.
Luminous intensity and amount of substance. So there are total 7 fundamental quantities with 2 supplementary unit. देखो सब अच्छा चीज 7 होता है. Have you heard about 7 wonders?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Rainbow, 7 color,
Yes, sir.
and continent how many?
7.
So सब अच्छा चीज 7 ही होता है. तो fundamental quantity भी 7 है. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. What is length unit? Is it meter?
Meter.
Yes, sir.
Mass is kilogram.
Yes.
Time is second.
Second.
Temperature Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Current ampere. Ampere. Luminous intensity candela. Luminous intensity candela.
Candle.
Amount of substance mole. mole mole.
Mole.
मीटर का सिंबल m. किलोग्राम में k छोटा kg. सेकेंड केल्विन के कैपिटल. एम्पियर कैंडेला cd mole. I hope you recollected it now.
Yes.
Yes.
Copy. How is your health, Arun?
It's good, sir.
Take care of your health and keep on studying well. Enjoy your lectures. Never you will feel
Yes,
bored.
sir. Sir.
Not done. Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
In addition to this
Sir.
in addition to the 7 fundamental quantities, there are 2 supplementary unit for angle. Have you heard about angle?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
angle? It is union of 2 non-collinear ray. This is called angle, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
To draw this angle, I have taken board or I have taken solid. This is board, na? Board, plane है ना ये?
हाँ.
तो प्लेन का ऊपर 2 लाइन से एंगल बनाया, उसको बोलते हैं प्लेन एंगल. कौन सा एंगल?
Plane angle.
प्लेन एंगल. Have you seen Kalingad?
Yes.
Sir, what
कैसा
is
रहता है वो?
Kalingad?
Kalingad means watermelon.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
How to purchase this? Directly I will give the money.
First, you will check.
First you will check with what? Microscope.
Yes, sir.
Then what? Telescope.
Weighing machine.
No, using kg or grams.
kg और ग्राम ये मतलब वजनदार है
Weighing
ऐसा?
machine.
नहीं, फर्स्ट आई विल चेक रेड है क्या नहीं. तो वो वेंडर ऐसा डिजाइनर कट मारता है ना उसमें एक, और ऐसा दिखाता है ना अपने को, देखो लाल है कलिंगड, है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ,
तो
sir.
उसने ये एंगल बनाने के लिए क्या लिया? प्लेन को कट किया ना, ऐसा सरफेस को कट
Yes.
किया ना, और चाकू उसका प्लेन है ना. दैट
Yes.
नाइफ इज अ प्लेन. So when
Yes.
you form angle on solid by plane, then it is called solid angle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मतलब क्या? प्लेन पे एंगल बनाया, प्लेन एंगल. सॉलिड के अंदर बनाया, सॉलिड एंगल. ये लाइन से बनेगा, ये प्लेन से बनेगा. बाउंसर गया?
नहीं.
नहीं.
Okay. So how many fundamental quantities you know? 7.
7.
7.
And in addition to that, don't go to heaven. In addition to above 7 fundamental fundamental quantities, there are 2 supplementary quantities for angles. How many types of angle are there?
2 types.
Which
Plane
are
angle
they?
and solid angle.
Solid angle and plane angle.
Correct. Plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle नहीं, plane. नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे सब पेन हो रहा है. कौन सा angle?
Plane.
Plane.
Plane angle. Plane angle is measured in unit called as radian. What is unit?
Radian.
Radian.
Radian. And solid angle in a unit called as steradian. Which unit?
Radian.
Tell me, plane angle ka unit?
Radian.
Solid angle.
Iridium.
Iridium.
Okay, right. How is the Josh?
Right, sir.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll start length, mass, and second ka units. Starting with length. What is SI unit of length?
Meter.
SI
Meter.
unit of length, meter, correct. SI unit of length is meter. Can you tell me definition of 1 meter? Are you recollecting definition of 1 meter? It is distance between two mark drawn on platinum iridium alloy kept at 0 degrees Celsius in the International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Service near Paris. Forgot?
No, sir. I remember that international bureau.
No problem, no problem. चलेगा कुछ नहीं, ये तो भूलने वाला ही टॉपिक है. Right, it is distance between two marks drawn on a platinum dash iridium rod kept at 0 degree Celsius in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures
So
at
it is platinum and iridium, right?
iridium, yes, platinum dash iridium. Copy.
Sir, how much degree it is kept at?
Pardon, madam?
At how much temperature is it kept at?
0 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
0 degrees Celsius. Shall I clear this?
No, sir.
So just a
एक और छोटा सा डेफिनेशन, मतलब दूसरा भी डेफिनेशन है, देन विल स्टॉप टुडे. अच्छा हो गया ना, सुबह लेक्चर में मजा भी आ रहा है थोड़ा.
हाँ, बारिश का मौसम.
फुल डे फ्री हो जाएंगे, फ्रेश हो गया ना एकदम.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मेरा तो नींद उड़ गया अभी, पहले सोचा था सो जाऊंगा जाके. हाँ. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes, sir. Done.
Or it is defined as distance traveled by light in 1/299, 792, 458 of second in air or vacuum. This number, if you can by heart, you can write this also. 1/299, 792, 458. चलो इतना कर लो आज के लिए, इतना।
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our regular lecture and keep on doing revision.